get a cute little farmhouse sink for our laundry room. So we're gonna do some shopping today, so let's go. That is so cute. I love the lights. I think so. That's what you guys need for your room. They need a new room. That's sweet. Look how cute these mirrors are. You can hang stuff behind them. That is so cool. I like that. Oh, and these Ikea shelves are everything.
This is perfect for me.
That is perfect. Let's see, what's it called? It's only $122.99. We could get this and put it in Dax's room.
And then we could use it. Look at this couch.
And we could get 2 of these chairs. The chairs are $44.99. Oh, I like that. I like this whole room. I like that.
Oh my god, there's like a giant hand. Where did they get that giant hand? I want it. I'm taking
These are like the little pull-out things for $12.99. You got one of these, but shaped differently. Look, they could put their supplies and stuff in here. See, I'm wanting to set up a room like this. This is how it would be set up, and then there would be a sofa that turns into a bed. Oh my gosh. Do that again. Babe, I love that.
That's 100% a distraction. Mom, that's a distraction for like 20 minutes.
Can we get that for Dax's room? We can make his room look all like this.
Dax's room is too high to my hand.
You can get a stand that sits by the bed. Why all the light fixtures have to be ruined? Very cool. Whole back wall is a closet. Little changing area. Cute. waiting to get loaded up.
Yo.
We ended up spending $900. I don't know how that happened.
Never spend
You'd think we would have
$900.
more stuff, but
Even though you spend $1,000.
my husband got 2 chairs for his work, his showroom, and we got this fiddle leaf fig. Apparently it's for his showroom, but I kind of love it and I want to keep it for myself.
And I got something for me and my little bro. These things. And alongside.
Oh, here comes your dad. We're getting loaded up now. Alright you guys, we are finally back home from Ikea, and I was going to go ahead and show you everything that we got while we were there. And I will first start off with this beautiful live fiddle leaf fig tree plant. I think that's what they're called, fiddle leaf fig. And oh my gosh, this is just the cutest little guy. So we just had to get him, and actually this is for my husband's, he has a granite, granite countertop showroom, and this is going to be in his showroom, which I kind of want it for here because, oh my gosh, so perfect. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. Isn't it the cutest little plant? Oh, it's like a baby. Look at it. All its leaves are perfect. I don't know why. I just love this guy or girl. Okay, so we got the plant. I'll sit it down here. Aww. That's the cutest. It's a nice shaped plant. I'm in love with it, as you can see. So something that I saw while we were there are these, they're lanterns. And I'm gonna go ahead and open one. I saw the paper lanterns, and you buy the paper lantern and it was $5, and then you can buy like a light bulb on a light bulb socket on a cord, and you have to plug it up, and that was $7. And I was going to buy those to put outside, but the paper lanterns could be destroyed. And then we were going up to the cash register area, and they had these, and they are outdoor ones, and they're solar. So I am so excited about these. If I can get it out. Oh no. These are like, I can't explain the material, like a nylon material, and I assume they're like weather resistant. I think I got like 5 of them, and oh, they were $10. I think they were $9.99, and they were on sale for $5. I just thought they would be so cute to hang up outside from like the patio area for, I don't know, a party or just fun. They're just cute, and I don't know how you pop them out or how they stay around, but it just came out of the package. Yeah, so nice because of the material that it's made out of. Solar little lanterns. They have a hook on the end and the solar panel on top. So once it sits out in the sun all day, it will just light up on its own. And I'm super excited about these. $5. And I think I got 5 of them. Got 4 more to hang outside. Those are fun, really fun. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a random squeegee. I think my husband said he wanted it for our granite bar that is outside on our pool deck, so we can like squeegee stuff off of it. One of our dogs is crying. He wants to run wild. I have one set of curtains. They are the Linda. I almost got another kind. These are tab top, which I wasn't sure about, but they have these like little lines running through them, and I just love the fabric. And they're 98 inches, so I'm gonna hang that in one of the boys' bedrooms. Ooh, and this is something else that I just randomly saw while we were there and decided to get. is this beautiful faucet. It is, hold on, I'm gonna go let him out so he's not whining. Okay. So this faucet I randomly found while we were shopping, and it is so cute. It was set up in one of the bathrooms. Let me see if I can open it. How do you open this? Oh my goodness. But it's like the same color as our dining room, or no. It's the same color as our kitchen faucet. Wait a second, let me figure this out. There is no logical way to open this that I know of. Aha! Just want to give you guys a closer look. So we're gonna redo, the boys' bathroom and put a new countertop and vanity in there. And I thought this would be a great faucet for their bathroom. I love that color, and I love this little handle. It is so cute. And this was only $89, so that's a really good deal. It's got the drain plug and everything with it. I really thought that was a cute faucet. And I could even put that in our laundry room, but my husband's like, well, it doesn't have a sprayer. I don't know, do I need a sprayer in there? I don't think I do. We'll see where we put that. Then, oh, we still have this bag. It's empty. My boys each got one of these guys. Little artist figures. And what else did they get? And they got some paint, because I think they were wanting to paint this guy. So that's what they got for enduring the Ikea, and a cinnamon roll. And these are my favorite pillows, throw pillows from Ikea. They are 20 by 20, and they're like the feather down filled ones. They're so perfect for karate chopping. I already have like 5 or 6 of them, so I decided that I needed some more. You just let that baby fluff up. It'll fluff up real good. And it's all feathers in there. And there's perfect throw pillows, and it definitely it'll fluff up real good. You can karate chop it, and there's so many different cases that you can get for these pillows. I think this was like $6 for the pillow. And I just get the plain white case, which I believe is $4. So not a bad deal for 10 bucks. They have so many different cases. They have furry ones, they have all these different colors, but if you've seen my house, you know I don't have a lot of color in my house, so the white cases fit just fine in our house. It just gives it protection, a nice canvasy feel to it. Love these pillows, so cozy. So that's what is all in this bag, I believe. All the cases to the pillows. I could have bought everything, but I have so much stuff that I have to refrain. I don't need that plant. I don't need a lot of the stuff. Yeah, all pillows and cases in this bag. And then hold on, I will show you the main thing that we went for. I really hope we got the right thing. I'm sure we did. So we went there for the sink, and we didn't even end up seeing it in the showroom. I don't know why. We got it anyway, and we got it on sale with our like Ikea family savings card. you're gonna be able to see this. Oh, it's so cute. I'll have to bring you to it because it weighs pretty. Oh, it weighs 47 pounds. Okay, I'm just a weenie. But this is our new sink. Oh my gosh, it kind of looks bigger than I thought. But it is an apron front. You can't see down there. It's an apron front farmhouse style sink. And it's a little one. And you probably, hold on. Okay. It's an apron front farmhouse style sink. You've probably seen our sink, our big farmhouse sink. It's a Kohler sink that we got, a very expensive sink, in our kitchen. And this sink was only, I think it was on sale for like $168. So really good deal. And here's a picture of what it looks like. It's Havson, that's what it's called. But we are going to put this sink in our laundry room slash butler's pantry. And the reason I call it a butler's pantry is because we had, our old house was like a 100-year-old home and it had an actual butler's pantry in it. And our laundry room, you can walk through it. And there's also like a mini drink fridge and a sink and everything. So it's kind of, I don't know, it's gonna have to service both purposes. Okay, box won't shut. We got two more things that we did not even plan for. Okay, my husband found two really comfortable chairs that he's going to also put in his showroom. He's been looking for chairs and just couldn't decide on any. And we sat in these chairs on the showroom floor and they were so comfortable. He's like, babe, you have to sit in this chair. And I was like, I don't know. I didn't see that it would be that comfortable. So I sat in the chair and it was, I could have taken a nap. I didn't even want to get up. Super comfortable. And I'll probably insert a clip of what the chair actually looks like that we sat in. We didn't even realize they came in other colors. These are leather and I guess they're real leather. I really don't know what their leathery feel, so I don't know exactly the material that they're made out of. But the one we sat in was black and they said they were sold out of the black and would be sold out for a really long time, or I don't know, so many weeks. That's a really long time in my book. And this is the frame of the chair, and this frame, I don't know if it says, this is what this frame is called. And it says there's so many different cushions that you can put on this frame. And then this is the one that he got. It's like a creamy white leather color. And it's super comfy, and I will have to, yeah, super comfy. Alright guys, that concludes our Ikea shopping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed and saw some really cool stuff, because I already got a lot of good ideas that I'm going to have to go back and pick up some things for. A few more projects that we're going to do, but we got to get these projects knocked out first before we can start on anything else. And thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully I can do more shopping videos like this. And I have so many other videos, especially cleaning videos, lots of cleaning videos on my channel, so I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Okay.
Hey guys! Did you just fart?
Alright, try it again. Let's go.
Oh, I can't now.